Yesterday, Hamletson Dohling, Chief Advisor to the Chief Minister and former MLA of Malem, inaugurated a monument to mark the upgrade of Madan Maroid UP School to a secondary school in Maroid, Eastern West Khasi Hills District. The event was attended by Jambor War, MDC of Mauthat Rashan, and Batskem Rintathiang, MDC of Mairang, alongside committee members, teachers, students and other guests. Dohling announced a financial contribution of 10 lakh rupees to support the construction of the school's building, emphasizing the need for further development to enhance educational services.
Abang apa yang pergi ke school, kalau ia jengkel di school, kumlang mantap enrollment dalam dua kumba ars pak lai pun. Kira ai kerja sekri, ia kasnong betal. Hal belain buat kejenang kerja tidak jompi. Buat nom so Maroid, kumba district, kasnong kebalang, berkamtam ke school. Berpilih nam tak kam kumba. Dan bon berwan banyak perkasaan.
Leaders of the